So, I got a new dog. It's a beagle, and I named it Bento. So ever since my corgi Shoyu passed away, my husky Shoyon was feeling very depressed. So that's why we got a new dog. So apparently he doesn't like the sound of chickens. He's actually pretty calm and well behaved. Actually, I take that back. This is my Pomeranian meeting him. And now we're going to see my husky. This is my husky Shoyon, of course. Shoyon seems pretty excited to see him. Oops, looks like someone's jealous. Honestly, he's pretty stubborn, but he's really adorable. So Bento is getting pretty tired, so now it's time for her to sleep. Bento has been barking non-stop since he went into the cage. Now it's time to take off his shirt. Let's also give him some toys to keep him entertained. I'll be leaving him with Shoyon for a while to see how he gets along. See you later, Bento.